Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Mr. Beast in Infinite Craft. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Infinite Craft. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this web page. Now you just need to follow my steps carefully and you will be able to do it. First, add earth and fire together, then add another earth and set it aside. After that, get water, add lava to it, and then combine these. Now set it aside, get steam, add fire, add engine, then add another rocket and set it aside. Then get engine, add steam, add rocket, and add it with a satellite to get internet. After that, combine both of these together to get YouTube. Now get earth, add another earth and set them aside. Then get 2 water, mix them and add this lake with the mountain. After that, add water with it, then get an earth beside it, add wind, and then combine it with whale. Now, add dust with it and add the baby with YouTube. Once done, get lake, add water, set it aside, and then get steam. Add water to it, then add fire, combine it with ocean, and add YouTube with it. Now, combine both of these together to get Mr. Beast. So that's basically how you can make Mr. Beast in Infinite Craft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.